By now, foldable phones aren't exactly new. We saw a prototype from Royal FlexPay at CES in 2019. Thankfully, we have come a long way since then. And over the past few years, we have heard some rumors about Google's project, codenamed Passport, or in other words, a foldable phone from Google. On Monday, Jon Prosser at Front Page Tech leaked both the design and a few other details of what the Google Pixel Fold could be. And based on the renders, it looks surprisingly thin, which is a good thing for when you are using it folded together. And according to one source, it's heavy, which shouldn't come as a surprise because this, like other flagships, are made of metal and glass. The front looks like a Pixel 7 and features a 9.5 megapixel camera, both on the outside and inside. The inside has a thick bezel compared to the competition. It's a Pixel phone. They aren't exactly known for their thin bezels, so you can say this is a distinct Pixel design. Speaking of, the camera system is placed in a bar instead of a visor, and I think this looks slightly better than what we have now. So could this be the design direction Google is going for the Pixel 8? The Pixel Fold will also feature a fingerprint sensor on the power button, and the colors are chalk and obsidian, which is white and black respectively. The name Google Pixel Fold is not locked in yet, and maybe because of some regulatory filings. And the price is set to start at $1,800, which is sort of in line with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And we are expecting the Google Pixel Fold to be available in May next year. And I'm so excited to see what Google can do with this folding phone, and hopefully they can surprise us with something, even though we know a lot of the phone already. So what do you think? Are you interested in folding phones in general, or are you interested in a foldable from Google? Let me know down in the comments.